Hello friends, I am Dr. Amit Miglani, gastroenterologist and hepatologist at Fortis Escorts, Faridabad. Today is World Hepatitis Day and today I am going to discuss about what is hepatitis and what are the steps we can take to take care of our liver. Hepatitis means hepa and itis. Hepa means liver, itis means inflammation. So hepatitis means inflammation of the liver. It can be due to viruses, which may be A, B, C, D or E, and it can be due to alcohol, it can be due to drugs, and one other important factor is fatty liver, which may lead to inflammation, which we call NASH. These are the different causes of hepatitis, and today how we can prevent the inflammation in the liver. The most important thing is that we have to control our weight, that is we have to control our BMI, which is body mass index, to keep it below 25. And second thing is, important thing is daily exercise. At least we should do brisk walking minimum for 30 minutes 5 days in a week to control our weight and our immune system good. And another thing is that we have to consume alcohol in moderation. Binge alcohol intake or excessive alcohol intake leads to liver damage and it may lead to inflammation and cirrhosis. Apart from that, we should not use over the counter drugs too much, and excess use of desi and herbal medicines may also lead to liver damage. In addition to that, whenever we are using sterile needles, we should use any needles should be sterile or the fresh needles, especially the people who are undergoing tattooing or body piercing, because it can transmit hepatitis B and C from one person to another. And another most important thing is that we should practice safe sex. And regarding the prevention of acute hepatitis, we should take care that we should drink clean water, maintain personal hygiene, especially in this corona pandemic. We have to take extra precaution to take care of our liver.